Excellency, sir.
All right, sir.
How you doing, sir?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bura.
Your Excellency, sir, the Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Federal Capital Territory, and the mandate chairman and leaders not very conversant with the protocol. Please excuse my ignorance. Your Excellency, sir, this is not the first time I'm meeting with you, but this is the first time I will be calling on you officially.
Yes.
There are two-pronged reasons for our visit. The first, I would say, is to express gratitude to the Honorable Minister for taking time off to agree to meet with me and my team, management team. One, to express our gratitude for hosting us because you are our landlord. The second is to congratulate you for the special recognition by the President Commander-in-Chief by appointing you the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, which is not a thing that was done in error, but a recognition of your pragmatism, your hard work, your commitment to the progress of our dear nation. May I state that starting from your days as a local government chair to Chief of Staff of Rivers State to Minister 1 here as Minister of State, and then going back as a two-term governor and returning here, it has been a track record of commitment, hard work, dedication to the development of our fatherland. And it is a square peg in a square hole. Thank you for all the good job you do, sir. In today's visit, sir, our primary concern and reason for coming is to discuss with you our concerns regarding security within the Federal Capital Territory. And I will request that we take 5 minutes after these ceremonies to have a private discussion on it, sir, because it's a bit confidential. The second thing, sir, is to make a passionate appeal. Our agency is challenged by lack of adequate accommodation for staff. And we desire to build some accommodations, but we are challenged by lack of available land to do so. If the agency could be availed the special consideration of being allocated a residence land for building of staff quarters, it will be much appreciated, sir. Beyond that, sir, we also have the responsibility of security within what we refer to as the red zone here, from the presidency and outwards. We'll discuss the details of concerns regarding that when we go into a little bit of the 5-minute closed session, sir. That is what brought us to you. But out of the mic, you are the leader of my zone, since I come from the South like yourself. And it would be unfair that as the minister and leader from my zone, I should not show my face to you as your subject here in the Federal Capital Territory. So I thought that also counted for much. That is the reason we are out here, to pay that respect solidarity and goodwill to you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, let me on behalf of the Honorable Minister of State, the Permanent Secretary, Mandate Secretaries, and the entire staff of the FCT, welcome the Chief of Defense, Chief of Defense Intelligence to the FCT Secretariat. Incidentally, he came with two people that are known to me, particularly Bura, who served when I was governor in Rivers, who did very well. It's an officer that anybody should trust. It's an officer that's very committed in doing his work. You know, I've not seen him since I came here. Yes, so you brought him now to add to the agenda, to add to the influence of grabbing our land. You were in the meeting when we had with the Ministers of Defense, with the security service chiefs over our land. We have not been able to resolve that matter. And now you have come, now we shall allocate you another place. So one would have wondered the kind of land you took from us, or you are taken from us by force, which we have not really accepted. I mean, it would be unfair that having come from my zone, you are making a request, and then I'm not granting you, but I have a problem. Yes. It's not about giving the land, it's about developing the land. There's no need of giving something you won't develop. So I will give you on a condition that you will sign that the CFO is restricted to the number of years that you have them to develop. If you don't develop, the land goes back to the FCT.
Absolutely.
That is not after because you have gone. Because you have gone now, you say, oh, we can't go back. We do things in such a way that we're a democratic government. But you see force. Now you are begging now.
Yes, sir.
To give you.
Yes, sir.
And when you don't fulfill the condition, now it's a bloody civilian should get out from there.
No, sir.
It's good to say it.
Yes, sir.
Because if you don't like to keep to that way, you will send your men who will not look back in beating our staff. And, so for us, we are here to support the system, support government. I mean, with the work people are doing, you require where you can put your head down. It's key. It's key. So you make the application formally, and then we'll make sure that the Permanent Secretary and Director of Lands take steps to see that we actualize next year. The only person I have openly said, I'll give you, but don't beat me on top of it. Don't beat me on top of the property that is our own. It is sweet now. The press, you are here. Tell the world what we said, though. See, they are laughing. When they are dealing with you now, they won't laugh again. I have encountered these people severally, so I can tell you, Buddha knows. He knows. But
brother, sir.
Wait, I don't want to make a statement that So, but frankly speaking, we'll try and do that and see where we go. It has always been the wish of Mr. President that, look, try and give out to agencies of government who are willing to develop.
Yes.
When the customs came in and said, look, we're ready to give you, but you will sign that you will develop it.
Yes.
One of the reasons why we're revoking is government giving you land to build. Over years, you turn it down to sell. Yes. Become a land speculator. It's not good, it's not healthy for us, So thank you for coming. Like I said, we'll give you 5 minutes. I discussed with you in my office on other security-related matters that should have come before the public, you know. So thank you, God bless you.
Thank you, sir.